Heyo, what's up, everybody, boys and girls? Welcome to the True Trading Group Livestream. Happy Friday, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. TTG is the fastest-growing, highest-rated premium online educational platform that's available to the retail trader. Today, we've got one simple goal. That's to help you guys learn, trade, and profit. Your results matter here. Your results are quantifiable. All right? We're not just empty words and broken promises. Your results, your success matters. All right, if you guys are new, make sure you like and share this video, but more importantly, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here. Myself, other professional traders from True Trading Group, and special guests will drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons and education that can help you become better traders and investors immediately. Folks, I did not figure this stuff out on my own. Began my career working at a hedge fund in New York City. That is where I learned how to trade. Professional traders taught me the proper way how to do this. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crashed. That's also the same year we're not to receive one of the Funds Trader of the Year awards. Now, aside from that, perhaps more importantly, my team and I at True Trading Group have now helped thousands of retail traders from all over the world, from all walks of life, achieve peace of mind from financial freedom that would help them become consistently profitable traders in the overall markets. Guys, we're going to teach you guys how to fish. We're going to teach you how to stand on 2 feet, how to become a self-sufficient trader. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not gambling. It's a skill. Skill needs to be learned like any other, especially since the skill can help you guys reach financial goals you never thought were possible. We normally do a 20-minute Q&A session, okay, when I started off all these live streams. But I need to talk to you all about something very serious first. And you all are going to listen. I mean, you don't have a choice. You're on the live stream. You could exit the live stream, but you'd be missing out on some extremely valuable information because it directly benefits you. When I'm done talking to you about this topic, if you are a member, you will have had that aha moment. And if you're not a member, you guys are going to be signing up. I'm going to spend about 15 minutes then after that discussion. We're going to talk to you guys about the TTG membership. Then I'm going to explain to you guys the incentive and the discounts that are available for those people that want to learn how to become part of the TTG family. Then we're going to discuss all of the overall market action from today. A nice recovery green day today, but we're still very choppy. We're still really just consolidating, but pushing back up, knocking on the door of that 200-day moving average. We'll see if we're able to get ourselves over that level. And then at the end of the live stream, we're going to go over the entire platform. TTG is a platform. It's not just a chat room with courses. I'll show you guys everything that's included on the platform. Because there's tools, resources, courses, everything that are on the platform that you have access to included with your membership. Like I said, it's not just courses and trade alerts. There's tools that professional traders use on a regular basis to make better informed decisions. I'm going to give you guys access to all of that. I'll show you guys all that on this live stream. All right. But before we get started, like I said, I usually do a Q&A session. I normally let you guys ask me questions, but tonight I'm going to ask you all a question. Okay, so instead of you asking me questions to start the live stream, I'm asking you a question. Type the number 1 in chat if money means absolutely nothing to you. If money means nothing to you, type the number 1 in chat. If money means nothing to you, type the number 1 in chat. Good. I don't see a single person typing the number 1 in chat. Beautiful. So then why do you trade like it does? Why do you overextend yourselves? Why do you put yourself into make or break trades? Why? Why take position size on trades that is far outside of your risk tolerance? Why? Why be an inexperienced trader that's never traded a stock a day in their life and then try to follow an advanced level trade? Why? I don't understand. Risk management is something that a lot of people really need to understand when you're going to get involved in the markets. And, I sit here and I could say things until I'm blue in the face, but some people still do not follow it. And I don't, and we have to have a very serious conversation about that, because I'm going to literally explain to you all right now why 90% of traders lose money in the market. Why 90% of traders that are trying to trade actively, why are they unsuccessful? It's not because they're stupid. It's not because trading is a scam. It's not because trading is only for gift-minded people. It's not because there's a special secret out there that you don't know about, but the people on Wall Street do. The reason why 90% of traders fail, it's not because technical analysis is an impossible thing to learn. Actually, technical analysis is kind of like it's like when you guys learn technical analysis, it might be overwhelming at first because like it looks complicated. But when you actually learn it from a professional standpoint and somebody can actually break it down and explain technical analysis to you the proper way, it's actually quite easy to understand. Most people grasp the concept of technical analysis. But technical analysis is not really going to help you make money. It's going to help prevent you from losing it. It's up here that will help you guys actually become consistent, profitable traders and reach financial, goals that you never thought were even physically possible with your current state or your current career, job, or status, whatever it is. So many people lose money in the markets because they have no idea at all how to control their risk, and it blows my mind. I go over this so many times with people day in and day out. And I say things on live streams. I say things inside of chat. I say things inside of our courses. And then you still have people that will go in one trade, blow up their entire account. One trade. Can't happen. You're never, ever going to be consistently profitable if you are losing more money on losing trades than you are making on winning trades. It is simple math. If you are a trader, if you can be a 50% win rate trader, which after you have a general understanding of technical analysis is not that difficult, okay, you should be able to make money, because you should be making more money on winning trades than you lose on losing trades. But people don't do that. People swing for the fences. People dump way more money than they should into positions. And what turns out being one regular ass losing trade, people say, I just got killed. Why? Why are you getting killed? I don't understand. You have to be able to control your risk. And right now I'm going to explain to you how to control your risk properly, because nobody teaches you guys the right way to actually control your risk. Why? None of them are professionals. None of them have actually experienced professional risk management before. That's why they don't explain it to you this way. So allow me to explain this to you. And I really want you guys to pay very close attention, because the information that I'm about to share with you is literally going to save you money. People do it wrong. If you're going to be an active trader, rather than you putting the exact same dollar amount in every single trade, I hate this question. What's your average position size? I have no freaking clue. My position size changes on every single trade based on my risk, based on the distance to my stop loss, based on the volatility of that individual trade. So you have to figure out for yourself, what is the dollar amount that you're comfortable losing in one trade? What is that number? I can't tell you what that number is. For some people, it's $50. For some people, it's 500. Some it's 1,000. Some it's 5,000. Some it's 10,000. That number is a number you have to come up with this figure. What's the dollar amount you're okay losing per trade? Let's say, just for example, for the sake of the live stream, let's say it's $100. If $100 is the number that you're comfortable risking per trade, you need to calculate, and I'll tell you how to do it. Calculate how much position size you need to buy at your entry so that if you get stopped out, you're going to lose $100. Your stop loss is not some arbitrary, made up, picked out of thin air number that somebody on YouTube told you that it's got to be, set your stop loss at 4%. What? That's meaningless. Okay, setting your stop loss at some random percentage number is incorrect if you're going to be an active trader. Now, you can do that stuff maybe for like your long-term portfolio if you want, but if you're going to be an active trader, you can't just set your stop loss at some random arbitrary percentage. You also can't just say, you can't just follow another trader's alert by another trader who's a professional telling you, I'm buying the stock here, I'm going to stop out here. But you just buy the exact same amount of money every single time the trader enters a trade. So if I, for example, tell you I'm buying a stock at $7 and my stop loss is going to be $6.20, and then I place another trade and I'm saying I'm buying the stock at 36 and my stop loss is 33.50, and another trade I'm saying I'm buying a SPY call option and my stop loss if the SPY gets below 438, you can't just be entering the same amount of money on every single one of those trades, because on all three of those trades, if you get stopped out, you're going to lose a completely different amount of money if you're putting the exact same dollar amount into all three trades. So you should never, ever, ever, if you're in one trade and that one trade reaches your stop loss, you should never, ever say, oh my God, I just got killed. The only times that you should, oh my God, I just got killed, is in situations where something drastic happens that was completely out of your control, like a piece of news. Let's say a piece of news comes out in the middle of the day and that causes the stock to, drop, like that out of nowhere. Situations like that, that is when you say, oh my God, I just got killed, right? That's when you say that type of stuff. Okay? It's not. But too many people say they just get into that one trade and all of a sudden they just get killed. That's because you're not taking the proper position size for the risk of that trade. Every trade's going to be different. Some trades might have 1% risk. Some might have 3%, some 5%, some 8%, some 10%. You can't just enter the exact same amount of money on all of those different type of risk trades. Okay. Guys, like you guys know that I sell memberships on these live streams, right? But this next comment I'm about to say is not going to be good for sales. But guess what? Losing is part of trading. Losing is part of trading. If you don't know how to do it right, then you don't deserve to win. Losing is part of trading. There is no way around it. It's like saying I want to be in the NFL, but I never want to get tackled. Getting tackled is part of football. All right? It's like saying I want to be an Olympic swimmer, but I'm scared of water and I don't ever want to get wet. Impossible to be an Olympic swimmer and not get wet. Impossible to be in the NFL and never get tackled. Impossible to be a trader and never lose. But you have to learn how to lose the correct way. Nobody teaches you how to lose. Everybody was, oh, look how much money that I made today. Look how much money I made today. Nobody teaches you the right way to actually lose. But if you continue to lose the wrong way, you are never going to actually win. That is why 90% of active traders fail. It's not because they're so bad at winning trades. It's because they are bad at their losing trades. Right? I can show you so many unsuccessful traders. They have some really good wins. They make some really good winning trades. There's flashes of promise. There's flashes of success. There's moments when the traders feel that they're like, oh man, I can do this. I've turned the corner, but they still don't make it. But why don't they make it? It's because they can't get the losing part down. They get blown up. Instead of taking paper cut after paper cut after paper cut on their losing trades, instead, they literally they step on landmines and they jump off rooftops. Guys, I'm a really good winner when it comes to trading. I win very well, but I'm a great loser. It's one of the things that makes me such a good trader, because I am so good at losing. And you might say, what the hell is this guy talking about? You will hardly ever see me say, oh my God, I just got killed. You will hardly ever see me say that, because a very long time ago, I learned a very important lesson. And that lesson came from my mentor, who was my boss at the hedge fund. He was also one of the partners at the fund. Still to this day, the best trader I've ever seen in my life. And he said to me very famously, successful traders are more concerned with how much they're going to lose if they're wrong. Struggling traders are more concerned with how much they're going to make if they're right. And once you understand that, that is the day you can start your journey to becoming a consistently profitable and successful trader. Until you understand that concept, you will forever be swinging for the fences and continue to lose. And you might have flashes of where you have 1 week where you're just win. You're like, man, I'm making so much money. This is fantastic. And all of a sudden, boom, all of it disappears within 2 days. How many times has that happened to people on this live stream? You have 1 or 2 weeks of really great profit and then bang, it's gone in 2 days. That should never happen. You're losing way more money on losing trades than you're making when you're right. You have to say to yourself, what's the dollar amount I'm willing to risk per trade? And you calculate your position size to lose that amount. So let's go back to the $100 example. If you want to lose $100 on any trade, that's your risk tolerance. Then if I say, guys, I'm going to buy a stock at $7, my stop loss is going to be $6.20. You have to figure out how many shares do you have to buy at $7. So if you get stopped out at $6.20, you're going to lose $100. Okay. So how do you do that calculation? You're going to take the dollar amount you're willing to risk, and you're going to divide it by the distance from your entry to your stop loss. So let's use that example, $7 to $6.20. Well, $7 to $6.20 is 80 cents, right? You're going to be risking 80 cents. Buy it at 7, stop out at $6.20. That's 80 cents. Okay. So you're going to take that and you're going to divide your $100 of risk. You're going to divide that by the 80 cents. That's the distance from your entry to your stop loss. The answer is going to be how many shares you need to buy at 7. So if you get stopped out at $6.20, you lose $100. The answer is $125. It's 125 shares. Okay. I'll give you, let's do a different example. Okay. Let's say you're buying a stock at $44 and your stop loss is $42.50. You can do 44 minus 42.50 equals $1.50, right? So we're going to do 100 divided by 1.5 equals 67 shares. So in that situation, you'd buy 67 shares at 44. If you get stopped out at 42.50, you will lose $100. Your losing trades should be consistent. If we were to take like a plotting graph, all right? And let's say we took a graph and I said to you, we took a green pen or a green marker and we took a red marker and we made little dots for all your winning trades, little green dots, all your winning trades, green dot, green dot. All your red trades, green dot, green dot, green dot, right? So let's say your winning trades are $120, dot it green, $150, dot it, $200, dot it, $75, dot it. And you dot all those winning trades. And then you take all your losing trades. Your losing trades, $110, $98, $105, $118, $120, $97, $84, $110, and all little red dots, right? When you step back and you look at that graph, it should look like a mountain range up top with a red river underneath it. That's what it should look like because you want consistency in your losses. Your winning trades are not going to be consistent because you cannot control how much follow through you're going to get on a trade. You can buy a stock at 7. You say you're going to stop out at 6.20. That stock might go to 8. It might go to 9. It might go to 12. We don't know how far that stock is going to go. So your winning trades are going to be all over the place. You can't control how much money you're going to make. But you can control to the dollar how much money you're going to lose. So again, if we buy 125 shares at 7 and we stop out at 620, we're going to lose what? $100. Bang, plot that little red dot, $100. And there should be consistency on those losing trades. But I guarantee if we did that for 95% of the people that are watching this live stream, it's the exact opposite. It's the exact opposite. You want to know why? Because they have absolutely no control of their risk whatsoever. So all their losing trades look like this: $100, $350, $500, $92, $800, $350, $200, $109, $47, $900, $275. Their losing trades are all over the place. But then their winning trades all look like this: 175, 150, 189, 200, 150, 140, 176, 161. There's consistency in their winning trades. That is the exact opposite. Why would that be? Well, their winning trades are consistent. Why? Because now you're so scared of losing that as soon as you're up a certain amount of money, you take it off the table. You take the trade. You say to yourself, oh, I'm up $175. The stock starts to pull back. And you say, you know what? It's better than nothing. I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take the $175. It's better than nothing. I'm tired of losing. It's better than nothing. And you sell out of it. But if you stayed in the trade, you could have made 300, 400 because the stock continued moving higher. But you're losing trades, you have no consistency or control or management over it at all. And you're getting all these different losses. You have to flip that. This isn't even about, being right or wrong as a trader. This just comes down to simple math and statistics. You cannot be consistently profitable if you continue to lose more money on losing trades than you make when you are right. Think about the math. Think about the pressure you are putting on yourself. If you are, let's say, I'll give you two examples. Trader A. Trader A has a 70% win rate. Trader B has a 50% win rate. Now, just with that information alone, who would you say is the better trader? Right? Just on that information, if that's all you knew. Trader A has a 70% win rate. Trader B has a 50% win rate. Which trader is the better trader? It's not a trick question, right? Trader A. Trader A has a 70% win rate. Trader A is a better trader, right? 70% win rate versus 50. Okay. So if that's the case, Trader A is the better trader. All right, great. Let's go through some examples. Trader A makes 10 trades, 7 winners, 3 losses. Let's say on those 7 wins, Trader A makes $1,000, but on those 3 losses, Trader A loses $2,500. Trader A has $7,000 in profit and $7,500 in losses. Trader A is net negative $500. Let's go to Trader B. Trader B makes 10 trades. They lose on 5, they win on 5. The 5 winning trades, they make $1,000 on a trade. The 5 losing trades, they lose $800 on each trade. Trader has $5,000 in wins, $4,000 in losses. Trader B is up $1,000 in profit. Now tell me which trader is the better trader. Is it Trader A, who's down $500 but has a 70% win rate but gets crushed every time they have a losing trade? Or is it Trader B, who's up $1,000, made 5 winning trades and had 5 losing trades that were all controlled risk, and they lost a tolerable number? Now who's the better trader? One trader's down $500, another trader's up $1,000. Now, at the end of the day, what really is going to dictate for you a trader's success? What are you all in this for? You're all in this to make money. The more you lose on losing trades, the more pressure you put on yourself to have to move your win rate higher. Now, moving your win rate higher is the single most difficult statistic for a trader to improve, because now you're actually talking about being right more than you're wrong. That's the hardest stat for you to improve on as a trader. Let's not make trading any harder than it already is. Let's make it easier. The easiest way for traders to make more money is not be right more often. It's not get bigger position size. It's not hold on to the trade longer. The easiest way for traders to make more money is to lose less when they're wrong. I welcome every single one of you to I'm going to give every single one of you a homework assignment. I'm dead serious. I'm giving every single one of you a homework assignment. I want every single one of you to think to yourself right now, what's your risk tolerance? Let's say your risk tolerance, just for the ease of this conversation, I know I used the $100 example. Now let's use a $1,000 example. Let's say your risk tolerance is $1,000 per trade. I want you to go back through like the last 6 months of your trading. And I want you to find every single trade where you lost more than $1,000. If 1,000 is your risk tolerance, again, replace that number with anything. If it's 100, if that's your risk tolerance, find every trade you lost more than 100. All right, give yourself a little wiggle room. Like if your risk tolerance is 1,000 and you lost like 1,150, that's okay. That's still within your risk tolerance. But if your risk tolerance is $1,000, go find every trade where you lost like 1,400, 1,500 or more. And I want you to add back in the difference from whatever you actually lost to your risk tolerance. So if your risk tolerance is 1,000, let's say on one trade, you lost 2,200. If you lost 2,200 on one trade, but your risk tolerance is 1,000, that's $1,200. I want you to take that 1,200. I want you to write it down. I want you to put it off to the side. Then find another trade. Here's another trade. You lost $1,750. That's $750 over your risk tolerance. Take that $750, write it down on the side, and do that on every single trade where you lost more than your risk tolerance. And then I want you to add up that total, because guess what? That total is how much money should be in your account right now today, but it's not. Don't erase the loss. Still count the loss. That's what I'm saying. Like if your tolerance is 1,000 and you lost 2,200, take back 1,200. Don't take back the full 2,200 because you still lost on the trade. My point is, I'm not making you make any more winning trades or make any less losing trades, but look how much more money should be in your account right now, but it's not. And that money is money that's not in your account, not because you're stupid, not because you're a bad trader, not because the stock market's a scam. It's because you have no discipline or risk management. Now, some of that could be your fault in knowing you're not supposed to do this, but you do it anyway. Others may just be honest ignorance. You just don't know that that's the right way to control your risk. That's why I'm doing this live stream right now, to explain this to all of you, because this is one of the single most important aspects of trading that nobody talks about, because everybody wants to talk about, look how much money I made. Look at this amazing home run trade that I made. But nobody wants to talk about the other side of trading that isn't sexy, that doesn't sell memberships, but will actually help you make money. Go do that exercise over this weekend. I promise you that number is going to make you throw up when you see how much more money should be inside your account. Then I want you to take that number. I want you to write it. I don't have anything here with me. I don't have a sticky note. I want you to write it on a little yellow sticky note, and I want you to paste it to the bottom of your computer monitor. I want you to see that number every single day. I want you to look at how much more money should be in your account had you just controlled your risk. Now, for many of you, I'm willing to bet probably over 90% of you, if you take that number and you add it back to your account, I guarantee you are green. I guarantee you are a profitable trader if you add that number back to your account. I guarantee it. This is why traders fail. It's not because they don't understand technical analysis. It's not because they don't understand how to use VWAP or a Fibonacci level or a Bollinger Band or a moving average. That's not why traders fail. Traders fail because they get blown up on losing trades. It is part of trading to have losing trades. So therefore, you must learn how to lose properly. Otherwise, you're never going to make it. You're never going to make it. So I hope this hits home for a lot of people that are watching this live stream right now, because I'm telling you, this is the difference maker. Otherwise, think about the only way for you to be successful. Think about it. Remember trader A, who has a 70% win rate and is still negative $500? Now trader A has to have a 75% win rate just to break even. Do you realize once you have a win rate up into the 70s, you're talking about professional trader statistics? So basically, you're setting yourself up to fail, because you're going to never make money until you become good enough to be a professional. Well, guess what? You're not going to become a professional overnight. So most people they start off, they have no idea what they're doing. They have like a 30 or 40% win rate. Then they start to get a little better, 50% win rate. They get a little bit better, 55% win rate, then a 60% win rate, but they are still losing money. And now the average person doesn't have endless amounts of capital to just keep putting into their account to keep going. And then they quit. They quit because now they're frustrated because they feel like I'm right more than I'm wrong, yet I'm still losing money. And they see that there's no end to this. They see that there's no way for them to ever become successful. And these are the reasons why. Okay? I really hope this helps. Guys, do me a favor. Let me see how many people are on the live stream, because I know my TTG members, if you've been a member for a little while in True Trading Group, you guys have heard this all before. Okay? You guys have all heard this stuff before. But I want to see how many people here are brand new. Guys, if you guys are new, okay, you're not a member of True Trading Group, or maybe this is your first live stream, type the number 1 in chat real quick. We got Mike, we got DBL, we got Tra, Kim's Cat, Go Fight, Bryn Lee, Doors, Clownfish, The MetaTrader, P Daddy, Mike G, David, Rachel, Pontus, Elbom, Shanika, LP, Elidio, Kevin, spelled super cool, Anthony, J Smooth, all right, guys, for all of you that are here, for all of you that are typing the number 1, for all of you that are new, okay, why are you here? For everyone that just typed the number 1 in chat, why are you here? Seriously, answer it. Why are you here? Want to learn how to trade, to keep learning, education, help. Money's a tool. I'm learning how to use it. Recommended by Matt. Nice. Free donuts. Looking for a second source of income. Tired of losing. Tired of losing. To become a better trader. I want to be successful. Good. I want to talk to you all. I want to ask you one more question. All right, I want to ask you guys one more question. All non-members, have you lost more than $1,000 trading on your own? Type in number 1 in chat if you've lost more than $1,000 trading on your own. Type it in chat. Just type the number 1 if you lost more than 1,000 trading on your own. Mike, DBL, Chris, the MetaTrader. Nice. Tony says Matt sent me to. Yeah, Matt's now part of the TTG fam. Go Fight, Anthony Akeda, Kim's Cat, Kenny, Bryn Lee, Kevin, Spack, Mary, Steve, Maria, Tim, David, Steven, Old Timey, Soldier, JS, Steve, Case, Bernard, T. Goff, Shanika, Dre, Didi, Barry, Pablo, Davis, Swingerbat, Larica, Chase, look at this, Mary, Lucas, Bull Bear, Roz. Everyone that's typing the number 1 in chat, are you guys tired of losing thousands? I mean, that's rhetorical. You know, I get that. But really, seriously, are you guys done? If you are, you're going to invest in yourself right now. I'm going to explain why right now. And you, the people that are not members, you are going to sit here and listen to this sales pitch that I'm about to give you. Why? Because it's not a sales pitch. It's a real opportunity for you to actually learn, and you deserve to hear it. Results really matter at True Trading Group. Your results, your success matters. A result of you joining True Trading Group and actually putting in an effort, taking the courses, passing the quizzes, using the tools, joining the study groups, attending the workshops, you actually have a very good chance of making money, becoming a better trader. And if you don't believe me, I want you to just watch this. I'm speaking directly now to members of True Trading Group. If you are a member and you're making money, becoming a better trader, I'd like for you to type the number 1 in chat right now. Now, all of you that all said you're not a member, I want you to just pay attention to how many number 1s come through the side of the screen, because you heard me. I just said, if you're making money, I'd like you to type the number 1 in chat right now. Let's just see how many number 1s come flying through the screen. These are going to be TTG members that have experienced education, that have heard me talk about this regarding risk management, that aren't making these mistakes anymore. How do you think these people are all sitting here telling you that they're making money now and they're becoming better traders? It's this type of information. It's this type of education. It's this type of knowledge that a lot of people don't know. True Trading Group exists to change that. I told you before, over 90% of traders that try to do this on their own, they fail. And I'm not making these numbers up. Literally, go look them up yourself. I'm not saying True Trading Group is the only way for people to become successful. I don't believe it's the only way, but I do think it's one of the best, if not the best, options for all people of all skill levels from all walks of life to be able to learn, trade, and profit. We help people reach their goals of becoming consistently profitable by combining them, the education that I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. Okay, you're going to get a professional level of education. Same stuff I learned when I worked at the hedge fund. And we pair that with premium tools from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. We're a community that actually cares about one another's success. And like I said, your results matter. All right. Guys, in about 15 minutes, I'm going to cover with you the overall markets and what happened with the overall markets today. We had a nice bounce back day towards the end of the day. Very, very late in the day, we had just a little 1 hour rally, about an hour and a half rally in the markets that took us, well into the green. And we'll talk about what this means for the markets moving forward next week. But let me spend about 15 minutes. Let me tell those that are interested, those that are tired of losing, those that are trying to get a real education. I'm going to share with you guys now how you can join the TTG platform, because we got some great discounts and incentives over the weekend for you guys to want to join us. It's our goal at True Trading Group to level the playing field for the retail trader. Now, we do that by giving you guys access to the professional level of education, also the tools and resources, but we want to make sure it remains within reach financially for the people that want it. It shouldn't cost you $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, some even more from these places that charge to get access to this type of stuff. It should not be like that. So we make a continued effort to make sure that the platform that is True Trading Group is within reach for everybody that wants it. Okay. Tonight's price, which is good until Sunday at midnight Pacific. Okay. The normal price of the TC platform is $2,212. But from now until midnight on Sunday, you can get a 41% discount, which brings the price all the way down to just $1,288 for the entire year. There are no upsells for tools and courses. All of our tools and courses are included with that $1,288. There are no upsells for that. And the next 20 people that go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG121 will get the 41% discount, but you're also going to get a brand new free laptop upon becoming TTG certified. Becoming certified means you've gone through all of our courses and you've passed our quizzes. It's a badge of honor for our members. They wear it proud. You get a green check mark next to your username. You get a certificate that you can print out. You can put on your wall, your desk, share it on social media digitally. It means you've gone through a professional level of education and you've passed those quizzes, and now your opinion matters more. Your opinion means something. That's why you get that green check mark next to your username and chat. It really is a badge of honor. People wear it proud. So upon that, we will send you a brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping costs. We ship it anywhere in the world. Take advantage of this offer now, folks, because on Monday, the price is jumping up to over $1,300. A couple of weeks ago, you could have got it for $11 and change. Now it's $1,288. We're jumping up to over $1,300 on Monday. This is all while we move the price up back to $2,212, which we're going to be at very, very soon, probably within the next 2 weeks. Okay, we said by around February. So within the next 2 weeks, our price is going to be back at $2,212. So anyone that's had any interest in joining the TTG platform, actually investing in themselves, getting a real education, you guys can use this coupon code TTG121, get the 41% discount and the brand new free laptop. You're also included with the membership. You'll get 2 study group sessions with a professional trader at True Trading Group. This is a chance for you to ask questions, go over topics and lessons that you are struggling with, okay, so we can make sure that you are on the right path and we can speed up that learning curve. Now, I know you all lost more than what we charge. Are you tired of losing? That's a serious question. I'm going to do you guys even one better, okay? Because that coupon code not just gets you the 41%, not just gets you the free laptop, not just gets you the 2 study groups, but True Trading Group is also the home of the double your money back guarantee. I told you before, your results matter, your success matters, and it's quantifiable. I stand behind this program so much. I put my money where my mouth is. I don't just come up here and give you guys a bunch of BS and a bunch of empty words. I am dead serious when I say your results matter. And that's why we offer a double your money back guarantee. Here's the deal. All of you that sign up between now and Sunday, if you go through all our courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one of those study groups, if at the end of your year membership, you have still not at least made back your membership fee once, we are going to give you not just the $1,288 back, we're going to give you double. That's $2,576 that we will give back to you if you do not make that membership fee at least once by the end of your membership after going through our courses, passing the quizzes, and attending a study group. So I'm basically saying to you here all now that a $1,288 investment, if it goes wrong, I'm going to give you back a 100% return by giving you double the money that you've given us. Nobody is willing to offer you anything like that because they're not as confident in their ability to help you succeed. I told you, your success matters. That's why the money back guarantee is based on your P&L and your efforts and energy that you put towards this. Free laptops, double your money back, real tools, real community, real profits. Some people may be like, wow, this is too good to be true. It's not. TTG members, are we full of crap? Am I full of shit right now? Yes or no? If you're a member of True Trading Group, if you are a member, am I full of crap right now? Yes or no? Am I full of crap? Yes or no? And be honest. Be honest. Okay? Be honest. And there's all your no's. Okay, I asked very simply, am I full of crap? Is anything that I'm saying not accurate? TTG was built to level the playing field and to empower the retail trader. You're seeing all of these members that are commenting. They've gone through it. They've gotten the education. They use the tools. They're seeing the results. We have only had to refund 1.73% of our members since 2017. 1.73%. That's it. I tell you that not just to show you how infrequently we have to refund someone or get asked for a refund, but to also show you that it's real. We've never denied a single person that said to us, hey, my year membership's up here. I never made my membership fee back. I went through the courses. I passed the quizzes. I did a study group. I did everything you guys asked. I really tried. Your program failed me. Okay, here's your money. Here's your double your money back. We've never denied anyone of that refund. And our refund rate stands since 2017 at 1.73%. There's not much more else that I can do to remove the risk for you to decide it's time to make a decision to invest in yourself. You know, nobody's going to come on and publicly explain this information to you guys and go over this stuff, but this is the stuff that actually matters. Like the risk management things that I went over with you guys here today, this is the stuff that matters. So again, go to the URL, ttgoffer.com. You can enter the code TTG121. You'll get the 41% discount. The price is going over $1,300 on Monday. You're going to get the free laptop, the 2 study groups, the double your money back guarantee. You just have to enter that coupon code. And lastly, folks, if you guys are still unsure about the membership, we do have a 1-week trial. You can do that as well. If you join today, you'll be in chat with us Monday to Monday. Okay, you can go to ttgthree.com. Okay, ttgthree.com. The trial is only $3. We charge $3 to make sure you're a real person. There's no automatic upgrade, no automatic renewal, no reoccurring payment. It is just a one-time $3 payment. That's it. You've all spent $3 probably on a bag of chips or a candy bar before. That'll be the best $3 you ever spent in your life. Let me tell you what is actually included in the membership, and then I'm going to break down the overall markets for you guys. So don't go anywhere. Stick around. In just about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to show you guys what happened in the overall market today. Also, a stock that I think everybody must have on watch for Monday. So let's go over that. All right. Let me tell you, though, first, what is included with your membership, because the TTG membership for $12.88 is an all-inclusive membership. Okay. All-inclusive membership. Included with your membership is going to be our entire curriculum. It's a 17-course curriculum. It's a simplified and expanded upon version of the stuff that I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. There's beginner and advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, how to trade during a market crash. All of that is available to you. There are no VIP pro courses that cost more money once you join. There's no upsell for any of that stuff. You also get the trading performance journal, which tracks your trades, gives you statistics so we can see what you're doing wrong. You got Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, so you get live breaking up to the second news alerts in chat. Quote Media's full book level 2, so you can see all the market makers. Trading View's charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares. It's free. ETNA's simulator lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, so you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. All this stuff I'm telling you, this is all included for the 1288. You don't pay $1 extra for any of this stuff. You also get Trade Ideas Scanner, which is one of the industry leading scanners. I mean, literally, this is a scanner that's going to make sure that you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day, no matter if you're trading small caps, mid caps, or large caps. You're going to get our chat room with all of our alerts from a group of professional traders that is collectively sporting over an 80% win rate. We're fully transparent. There's a journal on our website that tracks literally every buy and sell that our moderators make. This way you can see for yourself how you'd be doing if you followed our alerts. We do live workshops and webinars every week. We've got dark pool data, unusual options activity, analyst ratings, insider buying and selling, all on the platform included in your 1288. You don't pay $1 extra for it. Then you have the 2 small private study groups. I told you about those before. And we do a lot of fun giveaways with members too. We give away cash. We give away electronics. You just have to be a member. All right. If anybody has questions about the membership, you can send a text message. Do not call this number. It's a text only number. We can't pick it up even if we wanted to. Okay. Text the number 201-775-9702 if you have questions about the membership or you are unable, you're having a hard time signing up. You can text 201-775-9702. All right. And then guys, listen, to be fair, we do have other things you can buy as a member of True Trading Group, but they're not necessary to be successful. Okay. All the tools, all the courses, everything I just said to you is included with your 1288. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG121. That'll get you the 41% discount, the 2 study groups, the free laptop, and the double your money back guarantee. The price goes up over $1,300 on Monday, and within the next 2 weeks, our price will be back to $2,212. So I would take advantage of this discount while it's still here. You have until Sunday at midnight. All right. You'll know you're getting one of those 20 laptops. I told you there's 20 of them available. There are 20 laptops available. So you'll know you're getting one if you see a laptop in your checkout cart. These laptops are not going to last until Monday. We had 20 laptops the last couple nights and they've all sold out. All right. So as long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that means you're getting one of the 20. If you do not see a laptop and you see like an Amazon Kindle, you'll know we've sold out of laptops. And instead of a laptop, you'll be getting an Amazon Kindle or an Android tablet, whichever is there. Okay. You guys get it? Get it? Got it? Good. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. All right. All right, guys. All right. So now what I'd like to do is I'd like to take things on over. I'd like to take things on over here to the broader markets. And I want to go ahead and I want to share my screen with you guys. And let's talk about what happened with the SPY today. All right. So, nice recovery day today. A very nice recovery day today, guys. You know, we had a point during the day today where we actually had extended below yesterday's lows, and you had a complete reversal going into the end of the day. Now, this is actually the price action that you saw today is very different than the price action that we've seen the last 3 consecutive trading days, because the last 3 consecutive trading days, the afternoon session has been very weak. All right. The afternoon session has been very weak the last 3 trading days. All right. where we've had actually downward movement going into the final hour of the day. Today was not the case. The bulls showed up today at the end of the day, going into the weekend. We dropped beneath yesterday's lows early this morning, and things did not look so hot in the very early mornings of the day. We could have really rolled this over and got back down to this previous low. This previous low is important. This technical level is very important for the overall markets, folks. It is very, very important. This right there. All right. That's Monday's low. Monday's low, a lot of people are calling this the bottom. If that turns out to not be, if that gets broken at some point over the next couple of weeks, you probably see real extension to the downside because a lot of people are getting long right now. This consolidation is literally people stepping in saying, okay, NASDAQ's down 15, 14%, S&P's down 10, Russell's down 20, Dow's down 7, 8. I'm going to step in. I'm going to buy this pullback. So you'll notice that you had direction to the downside where really no buying pressure, just sell, 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 sell. And now all of a sudden you can see consolidation. Consolidation can be one of two things. It can be an area where buyers are really stepping in, or it could be just where sellers are taking a breather. Sellers are taking a rest. Now, I don't necessarily just believe that this is sellers taking a rest. I do heavily believe that there's a lot of people stepping in buying. We saw, I think it was like $24 billion of market ETF inflows this week, which means that investors are actually buying in the market index ETFs, that there is net buying taking place this week. And that would also coincide with the heavy volume that you're still seeing all week. All week, the volume has been heavy. You can see all 5 of these volume bars are significantly higher, all right, than your normal trading volume. That's why I don't just believe this is just sellers taking a breather. The volume tells me in this consolidation, with the volume being as heavy as it is that sellers are still selling. They really haven't stopped. But now the difference is that buyers are saying we're down enough. I'm going to start buying in this price region. Up here, when sellers started to really get moving and selling, no buyers really showed up. That's what this consolidation is telling me because of the volume. And then also you had a $24 billion inflow into market index ETFs, which tells you that there's actually money going into the ETFs instead of money coming out of them. Okay, that's a sign that you literally have net investor buying at these prices, which is a very good thing. But all we have done, and I said this earlier this week in the live stream, I said this on Tuesday, that I believe that the SPY is now going to trade in a range. Go watch my live stream from Tuesday. From Tuesday, I said that I think that the market's going to trade in a range now underneath the 200-day moving average and above those 420s. Well, so far, literally all we've done since Monday is trade from 426 to 442. That's the range and the consolidation that we are now in. This 200-day moving average is going to be key. This 200 days, I'm telling you guys, Monday's open is going to tell it all. Monday's open is going to tell me, okay, if the markets have more upside in the short term, or if we go and test this low now. Because if we gap above the 200-day moving average on Monday, I fully expect that gap up to pull back off the open and test the 200-day and see if the 200 days actually support. And if it holds, I think the markets actually climb up to 450. And I think you have a trade here from like 442 to 450, which will put you at a test of this previous support level that you guys have back here. All right. So if you gap above the 200-day on Monday, I would expect a pullback to the 200-day, 441, 442, hold support, then get back 443, 444. I think we go straight to 450. All right. Then we'll talk about 450 if and when we get there, because that's a key level of resistance. However, if on Monday we open with a gap down, if we gap down on Monday underneath the 200-day moving average, then that's going to put more selling pressure in at the 200-day, and you're going to get another candle that probably looks like this. And then I would expect something like this, and then like that. And then that's what I would expect then next week's price action to look like if we can't get above the 200-day moving average on Monday. All right. So I think Monday is going to be a crucial day for near-term direction in the market. I think Monday will determine what the markets do literally all next week. I'll talk to you guys about that a little bit more in detail on the live stream Sunday night. Make sure you set your reminders now, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going live right here on Sunday. I'm going to go over my market outlook. We'll look and see where the futures market is. Are the futures above the 200-day? Or are they beneath it? We'll go over all that Sunday night, and I'll walk you guys through my entire game plan on how I plan on making money in the markets next week. All right. So there you have it, folks. And I've got one stock that I want to tell you guys about to keep an eye on Monday, but I'm going to save that for Sunday night. All right. So make sure you guys tune in Sunday night, because there's one stock I think every single active trader has to have on their watch list on Monday. And I'll tell you guys what that stock is on Sunday night. That's 8:30 p.m. Make sure you set your reminders, okay? Now, folks, tell me who's still with us on this live stream right now that's not a member. If you're not a member, I'd like you to type the letters TTG in chat right now. Black Diamond Detailing, Dirty Cuban, Bryn Lee, Kim's Cat, LA, Billy Guns, Wendy, Mango, Jose Manuel, Nick, Jim Pratt, Angelo. All right, folks. Good stuff. A lot of you that are typing TTG. Folks, for those of you that are typing TTG in chat right now, let me actually show you what the platform looks like. I'll show you guys all the tools and the resources that are available with your membership. All right. Because I told you guys it is a platform. So let me show you what some of that stuff looks like. You're going to, of course, get our chat room. All right. Our chat room is where myself and the other pro traders at TTG, we share our screen with you throughout the day. We're live with a microphone. We're calling out our trades in advance in real time. We are Jacqueline, welcome to the TTG family, folks. We got Jacqueline. There's 19 laptops left now. Jacqueline, welcome to the TTG fam, folks. Remember to use that coupon code TTG121. You'll get the 41% discount, the brand new laptop, the 2 private study groups, and the double your money back guarantee. Everybody welcome Jacqueline. All right. So the mods and I share our screen with you. We're on the microphone. We're with you from pre-market till after hours. And you're going to get at least a minimum of 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts from a community of pros that's sporting a collective win rate of over 80%. We keep a trading journal on our website, tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make. So you can check the alerts and see if you followed those alerts, how would you be performing? You get those 2 private study groups. I told you about that earlier, your chance to get some individual attention and ask some questions. The Benzinga Live Pro News feed. All right. This is going to show you what stocks, this is going to give you guys real-time news alerts right inside of chat without delay. No more relying on delayed news feeds. Okay. This stuff will make sure that you're getting the news as soon as it crosses the wire, so you guys can act on that news faster. Trading Views premium charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares used by active traders. All this stuff is yours, included free. You don't pay extra for any of it. Trade Ideas Scanner. The Trade Ideas Scanner is going to show you what stocks are making new highs, new lows, which ones have a surge in volume. All right. It's broken up into small caps, mid caps, and large caps. Make sure you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day. That trading simulator is also there for you guys. The entire length of your membership, use it. You can practice trading with fake money. Don't risk $1 of your cash until you guys actually go through and learn how to trade. Implement what you're learning in the courses. use that simulator. It is totally free. Then we have our own proprietary scanner at True Trading Group. It's got the same functionality as FinViz Elite, but you can also scan for crypto. Then we have dark pool data, unusual options activity. This is stuff used to only be available to professionals, not anymore. It's at the fingertips of my TTG fam so they can make better informed decisions. That's how we empower the retail trader. You have our full trading performance journal. This is going to track all your trades and give you statistics and data so we can actually see what you're doing wrong when it comes to your trading. This is a game changer when you guys are trying to make adjustments. Then we have a social sentiment scanner. This will tell you what stocks are being talked about most on StockTwit, Reddit, and Twitter. This way you can always stay ahead of the crowd. You're always going to get our watch list and our game plan, so you'll know which stocks the TTG moderators are looking at, and more importantly, how we plan to trade them. Then, of course, the courses. A simplified yet expanded upon version of the stuff that I learned working at the fund in New York. Beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We have it all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you guys to learn. There's no VIP or pro courses that are going to cost you more money once you join. All right. Every course is available when you guys join with that for that $12.88. Then you have our video library. Our video library has well over 200 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops or webinars that we've conducted, like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO. All this stuff is available to you as a full-time member. And then you can, of course, attend all these workshops live once you're a full member. We have a blog and a forum that gives you guys some helpful insight, tips, and market commentary. And anything we add new, like a new course, a new tool, it's included. You don't pay extra for any of that, anything that we add that's new. All right. So guys, just go to tgdoffer.com, use the code TGG121. There's 19 laptops left. The price is good only until Sunday at midnight, and the price jumps over $1,300. In the next 2 weeks, we'll be back to $2,212. All right. Don't forget, you have the double your money back guarantee. For those that missed it, let me explain it again. Anyone that joins True Trading Group, I told you before, results matter. If you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group and still do not make your membership fee back at least once after your year membership, I will give you not just your $12.88, but I'm going to give you back double what you paid. That's $2,576. That is what we're going to give you back, is that money back guarantee. True Trading Group is the home of the double your money back guarantee. Folks, the code word for tonight is change. This is for my TTG members only. If you're not a member, don't worry about this code word change. This is for, I told you before, we do some fun giveaways with members. This is for one of those giveaways. My TTG members, the code word tonight is change. The code word tonight is change for all of my TTG members. The code word is change. Guys, we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Go check us out. Go read the reviews. 1,400 people have left us a review on Trustpilot. I welcome and invite you to go read them all. Read the 5 stars. Read the 1 stars. You decide what's right for you. 5-star rated on Trustpilot. All right, folks.
Just don't judge me on the 1 star because I'm actually a pretty good person.
Yeah, guys, all of our 1-star reviews, they're all basically just complaining about how much they don't like Adam.
It's fine. It's fine. Look, I'm not that bad of a person. I'm just kind of a no bullshit kind of guy. But I love you guys. Don't don't believe everything you're reading in the papers. That's all.
I'm gonna get the papers. Get the papers. What movie's that from? Fun fact, my favorite movie. If you don't know where that's from, we can't be friends. That's all, folks. You also have that trial. Don't forget. If you guys are not ready to join us full time, you do have the trial. You go to ttgthree.com. It's only $3. Again, we charge $3. Make sure you're just a real person. There's no auto renew or anything like that. All right. Don't wait till Monday for the trial. If you guys join today, okay, do the courses over the weekend. There's 3 sample courses that are included with your trial. Sign up today so you can go through the courses over the weekend. You'll be in chat with us Monday through Friday next week. All right. You'll be in chat with us Monday through Friday. You'll be able to trade with us for the full week next week. All right. Again, that's TTGTHREE.com. Otherwise, you guys can go to TTGoffer.com and use that code TTG121. It'll get you the 41% discount before the price goes up on Sunday, the 2 private study groups, the free laptop, and the double your money back guarantee. Again, last, if you have issues signing up or you have questions about the membership, you can text 201-775-9702. All right, if you guys have any questions about the membership. That's it, folks. Thanks for joining me tonight. You guys are the best. I hope this live stream was helpful. I hope this live stream hit home for some of you. I hope this live stream has encouraged you and has motivated you to change the way you control your risk. It is the single most important aspect of trading. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Smash that like button. Turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys all in chat. Or no, before that, Sunday night, 8:30. Don't forget, set your reminders. All right? I'll see you guys all on Sunday. Later.